You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, or should I say these prefix, as well as how to say more vocabulary that many get wrong in English. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Yes, the P is silent. Psy is how you say it. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar, so it's easy once you know Psy. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful, subscribe to learn more. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.